Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. First, go to Google Chrome, then search for chatgpt.com and click the first one. Then, if you see not working your ChatGPT, back to home page and tap the settings. Then go to General Management and tap the date and time. Back again to Google Chrome and see if your ChatGPT is working. Then, if you have another option, go to top of the corner and click the three dots and go to Settings. Then tap the Privacy and Security and go for Clear Browsing Data. Then, as you can see here, you will clear all this data, the browsing, cookies, and cache. If you've done clearing, go back to your page in Chrome. And after all, you successfully fixed your ChatGPT. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you again.